This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a PDF in Acrobat Reader. First, open your desired PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Locate the Fill and Sign tool, typically found on the right-hand panel or under the Tools menu. This will prepare your document for the signing process, displaying various options to fill out forms and add signatures. It is the first step to personalizing your digital documents. Now, let us create your unique digital signature. Click the Sign icon in the Fill and Sign toolbar and choose either Add Signature or Add Initials. You have 3 flexible options. Type your name for a clean digital font, draw your signature using your mouse or touchpad, or upload an image of your physical signature. After creating your signature, it will be saved for future use, making subsequent signings even quicker. This personalized touch makes your documents official. With your signature created, it is time to place it onto your document. Simply click anywhere on the page where you wish your signature to appear. A signature box will instantly pop up at that exact location. You can easily resize it by dragging the corners to fit the available space and reposition it by clicking and dragging the entire box. Ensure it is perfectly aligned before proceeding to the final step. This precision ensures your signature looks professional and appropriate. The final crucial step is to save your newly signed document. Go to File in the top menu, then select Save As. It is highly recommended to save the document with a new name, perhaps adding Signed to the original title, so you retain the unsigned version as well. Choose a secure location on your computer to store this important file. This simple action prevents accidental overwriting and ensures your signature is permanently embedded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.